Meaning of childhood. Childhood is the period of time when a person is a child, from birth to puberty. It is often remembered as a time of learning, play, and growth. 10 example sentences with childhood. 1. I spent my childhood in a small village. 2. Her childhood was full of happy memories. 3. He had a difficult childhood due to poverty. 4. We were best friends since childhood. 5. My grandmother often talks about her childhood days. 6. That song reminds me of my childhood. 7. He lost his parents early in childhood. 8. They want to give their kids a better childhood. 9. She wrote a book about her childhood experiences. 10. A safe and loving childhood is important for every child.